All right, guys. Today we are gonna take a tour inside and out of a Ram 3500 BigHorn 4x4 dually truck. Okay. It has a turbo diesel. It has a Cummins engine, 6.7 inline, 6 cylinders. Okay. Nice front. I love it. And it has a wider mirrors, as you see. And it has a, as I said, it's a dually. And this is diesel, so we have to have a DEF as well. Okay. BigHorn, as we said. And let's show the trunk. It's really big and long. It can easily, as you see, it can easily fit 2 regular size pallets. Okay, so it's very good for, carrying things around. You can easily carry 2 pallets with no issues. All right. Now let's get into the truck and see. Let's hear the sound. Man, I love it. The dash screen gives lots of information about the economy and the other features of the truck. You see, oil temp, oil pressure, exhaust brake, boost pressure, all kinds, right? And so on. Okay, it has a nice screen over here. It has both types of USBs. It has dual ACs. Okay. And all right, I think let's also show the center storage, center console. Okay, it's very spacious, and it falls down and back. Okay, and it has 2 parts, this and also this. Right, and when you open this, also, you see, it's very roomy. Now here, let's show it here. This has an extra space. Okay, in addition to the regular below compartments. Okay, let's just keep it running. Okay, see, there is even some compartments over here too. It's very spacious, very spacious. And of course, this has electronic control seats, plus it has a heating capability, so it heats and cools. I'll love to show this part too. You see, this has an extra compartment, particularly if you wanna keep your tools and other stuff. One thing, and this folds up, and we have a DC to AC converter. Basically, in other words, this is basically like a generator. It generates 110 voltage, and it is 3,000 watts. It's pretty powerful. This also folds up, okay, and so you can also use the back to carry packages, so this becomes like a flat surface, okay. Then we should show here too, there's a nice subwoofer. Let's show the engine. Okay, again, as we said, this has 6.7 diesel engine. It has 2 batteries, one on this side and one on this side. So one over here and one over here. Let's see if we are missing anything to show. All right. Oh, I forgot to show over here. So this has a folding step. So if you want to go inside, very easy. And let's show here over here. You see, this is the regular outlet. So we can use this truck, like a for general purpose generator. And it has a couple of other features too, of course, I'm about to forget. This has LEDs. You see over there? And another feature that I really love it. Let's show the camera. Vehicle cameras. You see, when you are inside the truck, you are able to watch your cargo at the same time, which is very nice. I love it. See that? And of course, it has back camera. I mean, that's become a kind of standard these days, anyway. I want to show the economy of the truck. See, that's the 14 miles per gallon at average. That's the economy of the truck. Anyway, I love it. I'm sure you will love it too. Price wise, it's around, this is 2025 model, and price wise it's around $85,000 with the tax, titles and everything as a key current price. I hope you love it. I love the car and I love the video. See you next time.